So hi guys, welcome to my channel, the Worlds Apart channel. So I have an opportunity for you guys. So Lee Abbey London is a non-profit charity organization, and it needs lots of people who are gonna volunteer. But there is a catch. So you have to be a Christian, you have to be a true believer in Christ, so that you can be able to have to grab your opportunity for this chance. So we can try and just go through on what Lee Abbey London is all about, and we just straight away go to the process of your applying for your volunteering program. So this is a volunteering program courtesy of Lee Abbey London. So Lee Abbey London was founded in 1964 as a not-for-profit charity. It was set up to provide suitable accommodation in a friendly atmosphere for students coming to London from all over the world. More than 50 years later, this vision remains the same. So the name Lee Abbey comes from a large country house and an estate, Devon, in the southwest of England. In this beautiful setting, a group of Christians from the Church of England, specifically Anglicans, founded a retreat center where people could go for a spiritual and physical refreshment. This work began in 1946 and continues today. So you can actually go down below and actually read in detail. So we are gonna go straight. So this is a school where those Christians come together for one course, just be able to get the word, be able to spread the word and such like things. So what you need to know that is that they're offering volunteering programs for anybody anywhere in this part of the world. So all you need to do is just come here. The process is really simple. So just you're gonna just type on your Google leeabbeylondon.com, then it's gonna bring you to this page, which of course you're gonna go to right there. Let's go to working right there, and then there is being a volunteer. This is where you need to concentrate on. Apply to volunteer. So you just tap on there. It's gonna take you to the next page. Let's allow it to load. It's gonna bring you here. Apply to volunteer, guys. It's really not difficult, very straightforward. And then you can see there's step 1 to step 9, and then you can start here just down below. We are so glad you'd like to explore joining us as a volunteer. You will need an up-to-date photo of yourself, details of your passport, travel and funding arrangements if overseas, and preferences. The form will probably take at least 40 minutes to complete, but at any time you can scroll to the bottom and click save and continue later. So guys, let's just go down below. So the process is really not difficult. So before you start, please note it is a genuine occupational requirement that you must be a practicing Christian with evidence of growing Christian faith and involvement in a local church. So your local church has to document some sort of letter to be able to prove that you are a Christian faith, you are in your local church, that you attend church and you are a believer. So you need a form of a form of a letter. So number 2, Lee Abbey London does not have suitable accommodation for married couples or families. If this applies to you, Lee Abbey London may not be for you. We will not issue certificates of sponsorship for couples or families. So it's had to be an individual, for individuals probably. So you will be expected to share a bedroom with other members of our community. Lee Abbey London is a residential Christian community, living, working and worshiping together with us in community is a requirement. So some essential questions. Let's start with a few questions to help us avoid asking for irrelevant information later on. It's important that you answer this honestly and openly. So some of the questions that you're going to be answering is, are you a Christian? Then you're going to say yes. So which country issued your passport? You're going to say United Kingdom or Ireland, rest of the world. And if you don't have a passport, then you just click you don't have a passport, but I doubt you're going to go anywhere if you don't have a passport. So you need to have your passport ready with you. So you're going to say rest of the world. So you're going to read, if you are invited to join the Lee Abbey community, you will need to apply for a voluntary charity workers visa, which will last for 1 year. You must be willing to commit to volunteering with us for this period. There are strict requirements for this visa, and applicants may be refused entry by the British Embassy. So let's move on to our next question. Have you been refused a visa to travel to the UK within the last 5 years? You're gonna say yes I have, or no I haven't. So have you previously traveled to the UK on a tier 5 or religious work visa? Then I'm gonna specify yes or no, and then so your future plans when you return. If possible, please upload scans or photos of any documentary evidence of your future plans when you return to your home country, letter from a university or college, or from an employer guaranteeing that you will have a job when you return. You can drop the files right there. The select files is right there. And if you need some of this, letters, you need a letter that is going to prove that when you that you will have a job when you return. You can see me also. I can be able to talk you through that. I can be able to advise you. I can be able to, make arrangements on how you can be able to go around it in terms of documents. So if you are selected, what is the earliest date you would be able you'll be available to join? You're gonna state it right there. So what is the latest date you would be able to stay until so you leave the blanks. You have a particular future commitment like starting a university or a new job. So how good is your spoken? Not just written English. So Lee Abbey is an international community, and not all community members need to be fluent in English, but you would need to be confident speaking and understanding English for all day-to-day and working tasks. So you're going to specify yes or no. So let's go down below. So Lee Abbey London community expectations. I believe that God is calling me to join the community at Lee Abbey London as a charity worker. I understand what is expected of me, and I will do my best to live up to these expectations. So I understand that you're gonna read the agreement, the statement above, and then you're gonna agree. So it's a lengthy one. We are not gonna go through all of it. So returning to your home country as you are coming from outside the UK or Ireland, please tick to show you agree with the following statements. I understand that I must return to my home country. You're gonna read that, and then you're gonna be able to just click there and accept. So they're gonna ask you whether you're married, do you have children, and then you're gonna continue up to step 9. It's just a back and forth, a question and answer. They just need to know more about you. So I don't want to do a really lengthy video because as I can see it's already 7 minutes plus, so I don't want to really go all the way, but this is just a way to just show you that there are opportunities abroad. If you are really looking for something to take you abroad, and an opportunity this has presented itself, it's a really good opportunity for you to take. So guys, as I keep telling you, this information is online. You only just need to get to the right people, get to the right channels that really talk about these discussions or topics openly and genuinely. So guys, take the opportunity, kindly subscribe to my channel. Guys, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family. I know there are so many of you guys who are Christians who really need a breakthrough in terms of having an opportunity abroad, and this is it guys. So if you like this kind of content, share it, and subscribe guys. More content is coming, such as this video. Very informative guys. Take this chance, apply guys, and I wish you all the best. More content coming in the next videos. See you then.